Have you ever felt like your mind is a web browser with 50 tabs open at once? You try to relax, but thoughts of tomorrow's deadlines or yesterday's mistakes keep popping up in the background. I know that feeling well. Our brains aren't naturally wired for this much information. Today, we aren't going to try to stop thinking, because your mind is meant to think. Instead, I'm going to share a practice to help you become the observer. We're going to find your inner peace by shifting from doing to being. Let's begin. Find a position that feels natural. You can sit tall or lie down. Relax your jaw and let your shoulders drop away from your ears. Take a deep, intentional breath in through your nose, feeling the air expand your chest and belly. And now, release it slowly through your mouth. One more time. Inhale presence. Exhale the weight of the day. As you settle in, gently close your eyes and let the world outside fade away. Visualize your mind as a vast, clear blue sky. Your thoughts, your to-do lists, your worries, they are just clouds drifting by. Some clouds are dark and heavy, others are light and wispy. But remember, you are the sky. You are not the clouds. The sky remains calm and vast, no matter how many clouds pass through it. If a distracting thought appears, don't fight it. Simply label it. If you're thinking about a task, silently say, "Thinking." Then, let the wind carry it across the horizon. Bring your focus back to your breath. Feel the coolness of the air entering and the warmth as it leaves. This breath is your anchor. It keeps you right here, in the only moment where peace actually exists, the present. Feel a sense of ease spreading from the top of your head, down through your heart, all the way to your toes. You are safe. You are present. You are peace. Take a deep breath to seal this state of calm. Notice how it feels to simply be. You can carry this stillness with you into whatever comes next in your day. Gently start to wiggle your fingers and toes. When you feel ready, blink your eyes open and give yourself a small smile of gratitude. Thank you for dedicating these 5 minutes to your mental well-being. If your mind feels even a little lighter, let me know by typing peace in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe for your weekly dose of modern meditation and mindfulness practices. Remember, lasting change starts with small, quiet moments like this one. Take care of your nervous system today. I look forward to holding space for your next reset. Stay mindful.